Today, we're testing out the brand new 2024 Tesla Cybertruck. This Cybertruck is one of only 5 Cybertrucks in the entire state of Alaska, and it's the only one that's been driven up the entire Alaska highway. We cannot wait to show you guys how this Cybertruck actually works and if it holds up to the Alaska roads.
So we just got done meeting with the guy who owns the Cybertruck, and he showed us all around the Cybertruck.
Hi, I'm Deborah.
All right, so this is my baby. Have you driven a Tesla? You said no. No. Okay, no. Cool. Totally cool. It's brake by wire, gas by wire, and steering by wire. You're gonna get fingerprints on it no matter what. The regenerative braking is gonna freak you out. It doesn't have like lane keeping assist or autopilot yet. They haven't released it.
It looks a little confusing because it's all touchscreen operated, but let's see how it goes.
Before we actually start driving down to Girdwood, we have a pretty special guest we have to go pick up for today's video. Since Tyler's driving the Cybertruck back, I gotta drive the Jeep. How to drive?
It's very different. A little hard. How do I lock it?
Put the key up to it.
Deborah remembers.
That's why there's 2 of us. This is our special guest today.
I'm Mom.
Are you excited to try the Cybertruck?
Oh, a little bit nervous. I saw that Cybertruck on TV. Never thought I can be even near the real Cybertruck.
She just watched a video on Cybertrucks like a week ago on YouTube, so she's very excited.
It looks like a tank. Oh, wow. Your handle, maybe touching it? No, it is not. Then it's a secure. Oh, inside it looks like a car. Outside it looks like a tank. Nice tank.
I don't know why I got picked to be the driver.
Glad I didn't drive.
We actually booked this through Turo, and Tyler is the only one that got put on as the driver, so technically, I can't drive.
Thank you for inviting for this. It's a big surprise. Once in a lifetime.
Whoa, look at all the cameras.
Yeah, it's crazy.
That's crazy. You got it, Tyler. I have faith in you.
It's scary.
You can like see the lines. Oh, did you see that car go by?
Uh-huh.
So watch the car behind us. It'll show up on the screen.
그래, 어머머.
Look at all the cars.
We've been in here for about 2 minutes, and I already feel like this is hands down the coolest car I've ever been in. I don't know, are all Teslas like this? If you own a Tesla, let us know, because this is crazy. Whoa! It's a red light,
Yeah, it turns.
and it's a green. It's green. So we made a quick stop at Walmart because we're getting some goodies for our road trip down to Girdwood, and I thought this would be a great time to show you guys the key for the Cybertruck.
I'm still nervous. This is a Cybertruck. We are cyber person. Kaki?
Yeah.
Okay, show me how. Oh, it's like a credit card. Oh, Tesla. Wow. It's still nervous thing.
All right, I got some snacks for later.
Woo!
You gotta fasten your seatbelt.
Oh, Mom!
Okay, wait.
We did make a very quick stop at Beluga Point to hopefully see some beluga whales that we could show you. Which button is
You're
it?
stuck.
Is she stuck? Were you stuck? No, you press this button.
Press the button.
Yeah. But it's not really high tide right now, so we made a quick stop at our favorite bagel spot down the road, and we opened up the frunk of the Cybertruck
Open front.
to have some breakfast.
Yeah.
Off to Girdwood.
Off to Girdwood, we're almost there. So in order to start the car, you have to have this cool like credit card key, and then you put it right in there.
There are 3 main things that we have all kind of agreed upon. One is that it feels like we're driving in a spaceship. Everything is so sleek just based on touch, like of a button. It's unlike any other car we've ever driven. The second is that it is super spacious. I have so much legroom, can essentially just lay down in the front seat here. And the third is that it really is handling pretty nicely. We've gone over quite a few huge potholes, and I feel like this Cybertruck is handling them better than our cars at home would be.
Definitely agree on that. Our first stop in Girdwood is Virgin Creek Falls. It's kind of a hidden falls because you have to go down like a lot of back roads, but it's beautiful.
If you guys know Tyler by now, you know he can't go anywhere without including at least one hike. So here we are.
This is so beautiful around.
Whenever you go hiking in Alaska, it's best to expect lots of mud, bring some bear spray, and dress in layers. All of which we did not do today. What did you think of the hike?
Oh, it's a nice hike ever. Very short. Suddenly you will see the giant waterfalls. Oh, look at the trees, moss.
How sure are you that that's a blueberry?
90%.
Oh,
Do I eat it? Hey, a blueberry.
Oh my, there's a bear! Bear, 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 bear!
okay. No, no.
She might kill me.
All right, so our second stop in Girdwood is Moose Meadows, but we just found out that it's actually closed in the summer because they don't want you damaging all of the plants and stuff. So we're just kind of walking the little trail on the side of the road. How is your first Alaska wild blueberry?
Wild blueberry?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it done?
Yeah, pretty good. It's sweet. This is a wild blueberry, Alaska blueberry. I think it's a bear's food. It's just
After driving through Girdwood for a little bit longer, stopping at a really, really nice cafe, and really just enjoying all of the people that were taking pictures of the Cybertruck. We ended up making our way back to the Turn Again arm.
In order to drive the Tesla, all it is touch screen. So you just touch the little truck and push it up for a drive.
And if you want to go backwards, you go backwards.
And if you want to park, park.
And we're stopping for a picnic. So we've opened up the tailgate of the truck this time.
Oh, wow.
And we're gonna enjoy some cheese and crackers while we hopefully see some belugas. It's a little nerve-wracking.
Yeah.
It's nice. Would you like to sit in my Cybertruck? It's pretty spacious.
Unfortunately, the tide still isn't quite right for the belugas, but they are about to go surfing for the board tide that comes through Turn Again Arm. And while we wait, you've heard the stories of the town in Alaska where every single person lives in one building. Chances are you might have even seen it all over social media. But what you might not— it's the best YouTubers ever! What? Out of just—
Wow, it's so pretty good experience. Look at that.
You want to try it?
No, Alaska seems to watch it.
I let her out.
Oh, why? I was gonna drive off.
Mom, are you going to bed?
Yeah, good night.
Good night, Mom. We'll see you in Anchorage, okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Good night.
Oh, it's too very dark. If I have a blanket, I can spread, I can sleep anywhere.
Now, this wouldn't really be a great Tesla Cybertruck video if we didn't actually show you the entire Tesla Cybertruck. So really quick, we're going to do a little bit of a tour. Starting with the outside, we have got this beautiful sleek design. Actually, the whole truck is pretty sleek. The shape is very unique and different than any other car out there. There are also cameras all around the Cybertruck, which gives you an incredible way to see what's going on around you as you drive. You can also check how much battery you have left in case you're nervous of running out. And the wheels here are gigantic, and they've been holding up to the potholes here in Anchorage surprisingly really well. On the outside, we of course have the frunk, which is the front trunk, and the tailgate, which we were able to use both of today. We also have the world's largest windshield wiper.
I don't think you can find that at Walmart.
The interior of the Cybertruck is actually really spacious, not just for me, who is pretty short, but also for Tyler, who is really, really tall. We've got this uniquely shaped steering wheel here. No odometer, no gas gauge. In front of you, it's actually all on the screen. There are also no handles, so everything from the blinkers to the windshield wipers are all done with these buttons. Coming to the center console, we have a spot for you to put in the key of the Tesla, and before you actually drive it away, you have to stick it in the middle console. And in that same spot, you can just throw your phone in there and it's automatically charging. Which brings us to the main attraction, probably not the main attraction, the giant screen right here in the middle of the car. From here, you can control everything from whether you're in park or reverse, whether you want to raise the entire car. They've got games, you can watch your favorite YouTubers. In order to get out of the car, you press this fancy little button here. Now, I actually haven't been in the back seat yet. This is my first time because my mom sat back here all day. It's incredibly spacious. They've got another whole touch screen here for the back seat people and a gigantic armrest / cup holder. Overall, I think that's pretty much it. If you could use one word to describe the Tesla Cybertruck, what would it be?
One word. Hard to think about. One word. Time traveled it.
Unique.
Smooth. Overall, you might be wondering if we really think the Tesla Cybertruck would live up to the Alaska roads and stay intact, and honestly, it blew our expectations out of the water. And if you're still not sure about whether it's Tesla Cybertruck is for you, you can luckily rent it while you're visiting Anchorage. So I'll drop that link below, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye.
Good night.
0 to 60 is 3.6 seconds, so it's like Porsche. Really just.
That's crazy.
So even if you're on the highway and you just want to like pass someone real